Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out. Novogratz is bullish. Bottomed out. Don't ever rise is deadish.
Bearish target 1300.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.
So, in the past week, Bitcoin had a dump of approximately 18%. What could this mean for the bullish scenario for the Bitcoin price? Could this be the last chance for you to buy Bitcoin? Could Bitcoin head to lower prices in the near future? So, stay tuned to find out. So, let's roll the camera. So I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing a weekly video on Bitcoin. We'll also touch a bit on Ethereum and Litecoin to see where they are headed in the near future. So before we start the video, please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, this is the Bitcoin price to the US dollar, and currently you can see this big dump that occurred last week where Bitcoin reached 12,000, then decided to have a sell-off and retesting the 10,000 levels once again. Could this be then another bearish scenario where Bitcoin could reach lower targets? And could this probably scarf the bullish trend that will occur in the future? And is this the last chance that we will see 100k Bitcoin? And could that be a false statement made by prominent crypto analysts? Personally, what I believe will happen is that the Bitcoin price could head below 10,000 levels due to that if the stock market crashes, because Bitcoin crashed at the same time as the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. So if they crash, Bitcoin will also have a significant crash. All in all, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin could drop below, but that's gonna be once in a lifetime opportunity to buy Bitcoin under $10,000. As you can see, Bitcoin is holding support at around 10,300, and it looks like there is a lot of bulls in the market, because if they want a lot of bulls, the price could have dropped to around 9,000 or below 9,000. And currently Bitcoin is holding firmly above this important psychological level of 10,000, because 10,000 has been the main price that Bitcoin has been struggling for many years and months. And as you can see, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. And if you look at the yellow trend line, every time we drop below these yellow trend lines, upwards trend lines, we tend to see a big price spark to the upside. As you can see here, also here we saw another push to the upside, and also here. So this is a very important trend line which Bitcoin always travels across on, and Bitcoin has to hold this trend line so that the bullish scenario can play out. So now we can take a look at the Ethereum price to see where Bitcoin could be heading when we look at the Ethereum price. So this is the Ethereum chart on the daily, and currently the Ethereum price is still bullish even though we had that sell-off later last week. And as for the same for Bitcoin also did have a crash, and most other cryptocurrencies. And I also have a few DeFi coins in my portfolio, and they also took a hit when this price crash occurred. So this is a very good trend line for the Ethereum price, because as you can see, every time Ethereum price touches this trend line, you tend to see a move to the upside. And maybe this could occur again if Ethereum does not fall below this green trend line. But currently Ethereum is at support and could maybe range along these blue horizontal lines, where Ethereum could maybe hold support and resistance at this region or zone at around $3,600 and to $281. Those are the prices that Ethereum could be ranging across for the coming months and weeks if Ethereum doesn't have a significant move to the upside, and also if the dollar doesn't perform. As you know, if the dollar does well, we tend to see cryptocurrencies and also the stock market take a hit, and that's what happened last week. So this is still the Ethereum chart on the 4-hour time frame, and Ethereum had a severe dump of approximately 30% within a few weeks. This is a very huge drawdown or crash because Ethereum is more volatile than Bitcoin because it has a lower market cap than Bitcoin. So that's why Bitcoin doesn't regularly crash approximately at these numbers of 30%. Bitcoin normally retraces or corrects at around 10%, but we have seen in all previous bull runs that Bitcoin does have these major crashes of 30% to the downside, and maybe this could be the crash that Bitcoin is facing currently. So I'm very bullish on the Ethereum price. Ethereum is its own special kind of cryptocurrencies with its own community and its own use cases for this type of cryptocurrency. So Ethereum price will also reach higher price targets of approximately 10,000 in the near future. So now let's look at the Litecoin price to see if the bullish scenario is still in play or Litecoin is a coin which Charlie Lee has left in the dust and will not succeed again. So as you can see, this is the Litecoin chart. Litecoin also had a severe drop to the downside and approximately crashed at around 30%, same as Ethereum, but this still doesn't mean anything for the Litecoin price. I still remain bullish on those cryptocurrencies, even though we could see some sideways actions for the coming weeks, but I'm pretty much sure that Litecoin will surpass higher levels in the near future. All of the price action from the past shows us that Litecoin is right on track to reach higher price targets for the near future. Litecoin is a slow, steady coin that a lot of people don't look at anymore, but Litecoin still has the firepower to pump to the upside. This is the 4-hour chart of Litecoin, and currently Litecoin has broke down below at this long-term trend line. This could be a very bad sign for Litecoin, but I still remain bullish because Litecoin is still holding firm at around $40. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Always stay digital.